Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is an ABC of wave Y. I think this needs to go up probably at least on one of these highs over here, one of these Fibonacci extension levels, probably take out these highs. And this is going to be all part of three waves up for wave W. 1, 2, 3 of W, 1, 2, 3 of X, 1, 2, 3 of wave Y. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is very clearly over here a trend for wave A. I think this is kind of like a WXY for the wave B also. I think this has already ended the wave B and we're going up for a 1 of C, and this is a 2 of C, and eventually, which perhaps it's already trying to end it, it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, just like what I was drawing on the higher time frame. So an ABC of wave Y. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it does look like it is trying to make the three waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. Even though it did kind of turn right in the middle, the way that this did kind of spike below, I would consider this respecting the 61.8. We do have a Fibonacci. We do have a breaker structure, that is. We do have a Fibonacci bounce. We may possibly have the end of an ABC crescent. This move up, I think, is a 1. This right here is a 2. And if this really is the end of a crescent, then over the coming weeks, this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely did break structure. So that is a pretty good sign for the bullish outlook that this really is a wave 3 already. I would definitely be looking for three waves down, which it kind of looks like it's already made three waves down. So it may possibly just keep on going up. And if this really is the end of a wave 2 and we really are in a wave 3 now, then we definitely want to continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback that we see for the coming few weeks, maybe even few months, if this really is a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I was definitely thinking that it would stretch out into a bigger crescent, mostly because of looking at bigger other dollar pairs. And I can make this out to be five ways down like a wave A. So I would be a little cautious. This may not actually continue the uptrend. It may actually turn into a wave B and then go down more for a wave C. It would make a lot more sense for me if it went down to at least the 38 or the 50% to finish this crescent before it actually ended up continuing back up. But what I often tell people is sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. So I definitely would be looking for longs right now, unless I saw three waves up and then a lower high with a big bearish engulfing move to the downside. If I do see that, then I would exit my longs and I would go short for the wave C until we get a Fibonacci bounce and a big engulfing move to the upside with a break of structure. Once I saw that, then I would exit my shorts and go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.